Hi, I'm James Cook, founder and CEO of Evergreen Theragnostics. Evergreen is focused on bringing more options to cancer patients through radiopharmaceuticals. We do this through our three core business areas: contract development and manufacturing, commercial products, and new drug discovery. Welcome to our Springfield, New Jersey manufacturing facility. We opened this state-of-the-art GMP facility in 2021 to address an unmet need for high-quality and highly reliable manufacturing services for theragnostic radiopharmaceuticals, from development through commercialization. We currently manufacture for a wide variety of drug companies and ship patient doses to hospitals across North America. We also maintain the highest standards for drug safety and operator safety throughout our facility. I invite you to take a virtual tour of our CDMO facility to learn more about Evergreen Theragnostics.
For any client project, we manage the process from isotope sourcing to end customer delivery, because often logistics reliability is as important as manufacturing reliability. This is our shipping and receiving area, where all incoming and outgoing packages are either received or prepared for outgoing shipments. This is the first consolidation point where all material enter and leave Evergreen. Soon after materials are received, we then begin the process of deboxing, followed by systematic receipt in our eLIMS ERP system, Petra, via LabLogic. The unboxing occurs in this room, as it is the first level of cleanliness and sterility that you encounter prior to entering the restricted area. Once material is deboxed and received in our LIMS system, it is placed in the quarantine room under a quarantine status, pending release and qualification per its individual requirements. Once material is approved for use and released, it is then moved into the material storage for production use. In this room, we hold a variety of materials ranging from PPE, -80 frozen material, 2 to 8 refrigerated material, and even ambient as well. Materials then travel through the pass box into one of the production suites for synthesis of radiopharmaceuticals. We will now walk through the production space to see how the raw materials are transformed into doses.
At Evergreen, we take safety seriously, not just for our operators, but for our products as well. We have strict requirements for personal protective equipment, and all employees have dosimetry badges to measure radiation exposure. The garb operators wear ensures they are safe from chemicals and radiation and helps to protect the products we manufacture from contamination. This is the central corridor of the clean room. All materials needed for manufacture can be sanitized and passed in through this pass box and retrieved by the production personnel. They can then be brought into the individual suite where manufacturing is occurring. We have 6 manufacturing suites and space available to build 2 more. Here is where operators prepare to enter the clean room. They will remove their garb and put on full sterile coveralls. This ensures that the environment will remain clean and help to guarantee the sterility of our products. We have 2 full-size suites designed for automated production of high-energy beta isotopes. Raw isotope is loaded into the cell on the far left, automated synthesis is performed in shielded hot cells, and automated dispensing occurs in the center chamber. Finished doses of product are dispensed directly into a shielded container or PIG. Like the previous room, we have 2 full-size suites dedicated to synthesis with low-energy beta isotopes. Each line has 3 synthesis hot cells for performing synthesis, as well as robotic automated dispensers. After completion of synthesis, samples are removed for testing, and the products are then dispensed into vials to be delivered to hospitals and clinics nationwide. This production suite is dedicated to working with alpha-emitting isotopes, such as actinium-225. The line can function as 2 separate ISO 5 enclosures, or as 1 large enclosure space. Materials and waste can be removed from the line using a continuous liner system to ensure the operators never need to directly handle the radioactive material. This is the sterile preparation suite. Here, operators can use the ISO 7 benchtop to prepare buffers and solutions for use in manufacturing. In the shielded biosafety cabinet, operators can perform aseptic manual synthesis and dispensing of small-scale products. The pass boxes in each suite allow the transfer of products directly to the packaging areas for shipment. We also have 2 suites dedicated to sterility testing of our products. These isolators are designed to allow the operators to safely inoculate samples of product into growth media to confirm they are free of microorganisms and safe for injection. This space is the backside of the production lines. This gives easy access to our engineers and maintenance technicians to ensure the lines are always operational. This space is also used to transfer high-energy isotopes into the line without needing to open the protective shielding on the outside. Here in the packaging room is where the dispensed product is prepared for shipment. Vials, protected by lead pots, are loaded into Type A packages, tested, and shipped by our supply chain team From our facility, we can ship to any location in the US and worldwide. One of, if not the most important step in the process is the quality control. Let's take a look at the state-of-the-art lab.
Once a product is finished production, it is tested to stringent quality standards here in our quality control lab. The quality control lab is specifically tailored to meet the rigorous quality standards that are core to our process and for the safety of our patients. The quality control lab is equipped with industry-leading equipment with support from our chromatographic data system, LabLogix LoRa. Our products are tested against criteria such as purity, sterility, and drug product content using HPLC, GC, and our unique radiochemistry-specific instrumentation. Incoming productions to be tested are placed here in our shielded fume hood. The heavy shielding built into the fume hood ensures a safe working environment for our chemists and the facility.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have a better understanding of the work we do here at Evergreen. We're very proud of this facility and hope you've enjoyed learning more about it.